So you always hear about, in fact, I've even seen videos where there's a beehive behind the wall. I don't know how well you can see that in the dark, but that looks like it's all pretty much beehive. Hey guys, so we are back at the termite house, and today is a demo day. The other day we ripped the tile flooring out of here, the carpet out of here, and started a little bit. And today I'm hoping to just rip as much out of here as I can. This closet right behind me is going to go. There's another one over here that also doesn't matter. Somewhere over there that's going to go too. Tighten this back down. So really I'm just going to let the camera run, go grab my crowbar, and see if we can't get this closet ripped out. Stay tuned. Closet. Just a couple of boards to pull the nails out of. Now, let's see if we can do this bench seat that is there. Okay, short setback. Stepped on a nail, drove it into my foot. Had to do a little cleanup on that. Now we're back at it. Alright, so the closet is torn down. Now, what I've been waiting for, ripping these walls out, see what's behind it. I haven't seen any signs of termite damage in this corner yet, but it's everywhere else all over the house, so I need to know. So we're going to rip these walls down too and see what's behind them. Sure it's not active.
Is it a beach nest I see?
Looks like a pretty giant hive in there.
Oh my god.
So you always hear about, in fact, I've even seen videos where there's a beehive behind the wall. I don't know how well you can see that in the dark, but that looks like it's all pretty much beehive. All the way down. Yeah. Is it your favorite?
No, it's awful. It's a nightmare.
So, I assume if there were bees in there, they would have attacked me by now.
They would be very angry.
Yes.
Get it?
Oh, yeah. Be very angry. Alright, so I've repositioned the camera because if this is an active nest, I'm gonna really make it angry here in a second. Might as well have that on film. But I've also got the camera right past the bedroom door, so worst case scenario, I just run and you guys can see the hive swarm out. I haven't heard anything, no buzzing, so far so good. Pretty spooky though. And for real, if I see one single bee walking around, I am out of here. Look at that, that is bee too, because you can see, man, I hope you guys can see it on the camera. The layers of honeycomb, you see that, darling?
Oh. Is that honeybees?
I assume so.
Maybe it's honey wasps.
Could be. These look like mud wasp little nests. You see it? That is what I'm hoping is a very old beehive.